Eugenio Aramburu. Aramburu was a military leader in the 60s and 70s, someone who was the head of the Peronist opposition, very right-wing, sort of stately kind of guy. Aramburu is our missing link. I mentioned that Evita was stolen by the right-wing opposition in 1955 and hidden in an undisclosed location in Europe for 15 years. Eventually they found her, but it wasn't until the head of state, the head of the opposition, Aramburu, passed away. When he died in 1971, there was a group of left-wing Peronist zealots who actually kidnapped his body. And they held him hostage and said to the government, you will never see Aramburu again unless you give us back Evita Peron. So that was the only way they were able to recover her whereabouts. And when they did do a swap, she was found to be in an unmarked grave outside Milan. From there, she was moved to Barcelona, where Juan Perón was living in exile with his new wife, Isabel. Apparently they kept her on the dining room table as not to lose her again. I'm sure his third wife was thrilled about that.
Guess who's coming to dinner?
Exactly. And in 1973, Perón is asked back to government. He comes home to Argentina with Isabel, but leaves Evita behind on the table so that she is safe. They realized that if they had to be exiled or leave quickly, that they didn't want her to fall into the wrong hands again. And it was only after he died a year later that she was returned as well. So they were both buried here in Argentina in the